Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with mascaras that clump, smudge, or just don't give your lashes that wow factor, you're going to want to stick around. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any honest beauty reviews that actually help you make the right choice. Today, we're looking at the Rimmel London Wonder'Lash Mascara in Extreme Black, a waterproof formula designed to define, smooth, and condition your lashes with a lightweight feel. It promises one-stroke volume with its smooth operator brush and claims to nourish lashes with Moroccan argan oil while keeping them full and dramatic all day. When I first tried this mascara, I immediately noticed the lightweight texture. Unlike some mascaras that feel heavy or sticky on the lashes, this one glides effortlessly, coating each lash without clumping. The smooth operator brush really does its job. One stroke is often enough to separate and define lashes, giving that lifted, fanned-out effect. It held up well through long days and even in humid conditions, proving its waterproof claim. The argan oil ingredient adds a subtle conditioning effect. My lashes felt softer after multiple uses without any irritation, which is a huge plus if you're prone to lash breakage. In real-world testing, I applied it in the morning before work, and by evening, the lashes still looked defined with minimal smudging. Removing it required a good waterproof makeup remover, but that's standard for a long-wear formula. I also tried layering it to see if it would clump, and it held up surprisingly well. Volume increased without turning spidery. The pros here are clear. It's lightweight, defines and separates beautifully, provides noticeable volume in a single coat, and the added Moroccan argan oil is a thoughtful touch for lash health. On the downside, being waterproof, it requires a proper remover, which might not be ideal if you prefer a quick wash-off. Some users may also prefer a slightly more dramatic curl, so a lash curler could still be necessary for extra lift. In terms of value, this mascara sits in the affordable to mid-range category. Considering the conditioning benefits and long-lasting performance, I'd say it's worth the investment for everyday wear or special occasions. Compared to similar mascaras, it holds up very well against higher-end waterproof formulas without the heavy feel or excessive price tag. The packaging is sleek and practical. The tube is easy to handle and fits comfortably in your makeup bag. Durability-wise, the formula is stable, and I haven't noticed any drying out after a few weeks of daily use, which is often a concern with mascaras. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. I haven't personally needed to contact Rimmel customer support, but the brand generally has a solid reputation for handling inquiries efficiently, so that's reassuring if any issues arise. If you're looking for a slightly more budget-friendly alternative with similar performance, Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof is a solid pick, offering comparable volume and definition, though the Rimmel Wonder'Lash edges ahead with its conditioning formula. In my final take, the Rimmel London Wonder'Lash Mascara delivers on its promises. It defines, conditions, and volumizes without weighing lashes down. It's perfect for anyone seeking a reliable waterproof option that doesn't sacrifice lash health, and the argan oil infusion is an extra bonus for those who love a little care in their makeup routine. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've used this mascara, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. The link to grab it is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.